Naintindihan ba?
Opo, sir.
Ibig sabihin, itong stone. So, that is first illustrated. The one that I asked you to buy, may tawag din sa what do you call that? Yung force iron spring. Anong tagal? Wheels. Basta yung spring wheeling ano lang. So, ibig sabihin, itong bato, the stone, if you are sabi mo yung string is negligible, no? Maglagay ka ng string na kasi paano mo naman ilalagay yung bato yan. Or, sabi natin so yung stone bell, ilan to?
90.
Pero dito sa tubig,
Meron siyang 50.
bawa, tubig yan, water, tapos nagkaroon ka ng scale, mo siya.
50.
50?
Opo, sir, 50.
So what is the specific, what is the density? So how do we get the density?
Kailangan mo na, sir, kunin yung buoyant force.
So in problems like this, we need to get the buoyant force. Ito yung force B. So the force is equivalent to what?
Weight sa A.
Diba? Yung weight ng difference between the how much it weighs in
Air and in water.
In water. So ang tawag doon ay
Buoyant force.
yung force na nag-lift doon sa tubig, no? Or yung weight. So yung buoyant force na yung weight in air minus
Weight in water.
weight in water. Okay, so let me go to the solution. So yun naman natin, that is the method. Sinasabi ko diba the buoyant force. Yan, no? So if we are going to analyze this, the one being asked is there are two, no? There are two parameters that are being asked. One is density and the one is relative density. Dinagdag ko lang na, I just added the relative density. But since we are trying to get the density of the stone, density is what? Mass over
volume.
So mass of stone over volume of stone. So what is the mass of stone?
In air tapos.
Weight in air, no? Over gravity. Correct?
Opo.
Because mass is what? Mass is weight over
Gravity.
So yun. Sa air yun, no? Ngayon, what is the volume? Di ba kasi density is ano yan? Mass over volume. So ito, pag minultiply mo yung density, di ba? Tsaka volume, mass yun. Pero ang kinuha mo yung volume, ano yung volume? Volume is what? Mass over
Density.
Okay? But mass is what? Weight, di ba?
Weight ng
Over gravity. Ang pinag-usapan ay weight ng force, di ba? So yung weight na yun is yung force. Anong force? Yung buoyant
force.
Kasi nasa tubig yung sa kanya, yung pwersa na nag-resist sa kanya nung nagulog siya. FB, tapos
Over. Buoyant, density ng water.
density ng water over
Gravity.
gravity. Maliwanag yan?
Opo.
So kasi mass is with gravity, no? So mass is with over gravity. But what? Yung weight is force. Now, force over gravity, di ba? Force over gravity. Tama? Mass. Tapos yung density na naiwan kanina, ito ba? Nakuha ba?
Opo,
Yung
sir.
density kanina naiwan, yung gravity, yung weight is force over the gravity. Okay? So ito yung mga, ngayon, eto kung density of stone equals density of water, diba? Kasi tawakasan diagram, both of these are in natin ito, right?
Opo.
Gravity. Cancel yan. density of water that's within the air. What is buoyant force? Diba, define natin no? At the outset or at the beginning, buoyant force is
The displaced
weight in air minus weight in water.
water.
So what is the density of water? Mass density, 1,000.
1,000 kilogram.
What is weight in air? Weight na. Weight is force, diba? 90 newtons. Buoyant force, 90 minus 50 kasi weight in air minus weight in water. Pag kinumplit mo yan, 250 kg per meter cube. Why? Because these are both newton. Right? So the density is kilogram. How do you get the specific gravity? Specific gravity is what?
Density of
Density
stone
of the substance or the material
all over density of the water.
density of
The water.
water. So, ito yung density of the material, di ba?
Yes po.
Di-divide mo siya na density of
1,000.
water.
1,000 kilogram per cubic
Kasi
meter.
The relative density, the specific gravity or relative density has no units. Ang cancel to, cancel yan. So, divide mo ito ng 1,000. You have to divide this 1,000 to 0.25. Okay? Kasi the density of the water is 1. Diba? So, okay na tayo yan. No? Next. Tama ba?
Opo, sir.
So, ito yun. 250. Tapos, 2.2. Next. Ito rin ba?
Pressure drop, sir.
Ano tayo?
Yan.
YouTube?
Hindi po, sir. Yung pressure drop and or flow velocity.
Ano?
Yung
Orifice? Ano yung instrument? Ano na ba? Kasi yan naman pinos mo na. So, ano number na?
number 4, sir.
Hindi ko dapat ilan no?
Opo, letter D.
Yung isa. Okay. So, a venturimeter,
Ay, na, sir.
venturimeter is used to measure the flow rate of the water. The diameters of the wide section P1 and the narrow section P2 of the figure are 1 and 105 respectively. So, illustrate natin. Ano yung venturi, di ba parang nasa ganyan? Tama? So, kung sinabing venturi, may restriction na parang nasa. Diba? So what is the diameter? The diameter. D1 is what? 0.1 of meter. Ito D2. Ito ang diameter. 0.05. Okay. The pressure in the wide section is what? 200. Anong maasahan? What can you expect at the pressure of here, the smaller? Mas malaki ba? Is it larger or is it smaller? Smaller.
Smaller.
Because there's a pressure drop. No? So, ito, this is 200 kilopascal. This is
150 kilopascal.
Calculate the pressure drop across the venturimeter and determine the flow velocity. So what is our required?
P1 minus P. Pressure.
Tama?
Opo.
The pressure or the
Change in pressure.
Determine the flow velocity. V, tama ba yun? Ha? In both sections. So V1 tsaka
V2.
so how do we compute this? Pinapakompute yung area. No? Alam naman natin, we know that the area is what? The formula for area is pi over 4 d squared. In terms of diameter. In terms of radius, pi
R squared.
So since diameter yung binigay, diba? So pi over 4 for the ano, kasi pag tinranslate mo, pag kinapin mo yung ano, nabubulo na yung mga ano. So, ba't alam naman natin. So, all we have to do is to substitute ng pi, since diameter yan, pi over 4, ano hindi? 0.1 square. No? Tapos ito, area 2, pi over 4, point 0.5. Tama?
Oo, sir.
So, ano sagot? Ito, no? So, area 2, area 1. Okay. Tama? Meter square yan, meter square. So, what's being asked again?
Pressure drop.
So, paano yung pressure drop?
Delta P is equals to...
Anong formula?
Delta P is equals to P1 minus P2.
P
1 minus P2, sir.
Ito paano yung pressure? Nakamapita natin ba yung pressure?
Given, sir, si pressure.
Pressure ba? Given?
Opo.
So how do we get?
Bali, delta P is equals to P1 minus P2. Yung pinaka-formula, sir.
So ano yan?
So, magiging pressure drop niya is 200 minus 150.
So 200 minus
150.
kilopascal yan?
Kilopascal, sir.
Ano ba pinapahanap?
Yung pinaka-pressure drop lang, sir.
Kala ko velocity.
Yung sa pangalawang given yun, sir.
Ito pressure drop.
Opo.
So how do we get the velocity?
I-minus lang po si P1 kay P2.
Hindi, because Q yung equation, di ba?
Opo.
Q equals AV. But Q is constant, di ba? The flow rate is constant. So ibig sabihin yan, A1V1 equals
A2V2.
V2. Tama ba?
Opo.
Ito paano natin makukumpute? Velocity, meron ba yung velocity?
Wala, sir.
Ano bang meron dito? How do we get the velocity?
Bali, sir, velocity 2 is equals to square root of 2 multiplied by P1 minus P2 all over density ng water plus V1 raised to 2.
Anong pinaka-general equation?
Marami kong formula dito.
Paano masangkot yung density dito? Density. Paano masangkot yung density? Wala namang mass, di ba? Walang mass. Ano lang, yung area lang tsaka velocity. Dalawa yung velocity lang.
Sir, ang pinaginamit kong formula, P1 plus 1 half PV 2 raised to 1 tapos is equal siya kay P2 plus 1 half PV 2 to 2.
Ano naman pa kailan?
Bali P1,
P1?
opo sir, plus
P1?
P1 sir,
Oh.
plus 1 half PV,
PV?
opo sir, raised to 2 tapos subscript 2, ay subscript 1,
Ganito?
opo sir,
Then,
1 sir, sa baba, 1,
ito 1.
opo sir,
Ito.
tapos naka-equal siya sir,
Ito 1 din. Anong equals? Equals saan?
equal siya sir kay P2,
Equals saan?
P2,
P2. Ganyan.
opo, tapos naka-multiplied, ay naka-plus kay 1 half rin sir,
Naka-plus.
opo,
Saan?
1 half uli sir, pero
Ano pinakalat dito? Yung velocity ba?
yung velocity sir,
Anyway,
0.47.
0.447 meter per second, tsaka 1.7 meter per second. But then, if you're going to calculate yung view, ilan pa na may view?
Hindi po, sir.
Hindi naman, A1, C1, diba? May area tayo, guys, velocity 1, A1. So, gusto mo ng, ano, A2, B2, dapat pareho na sila, no? Area to times velocity 2. No? So, ang flow rate, hindi naman pinapanag natin sa station natin. Pero siya may okay. Ano na tayo? Last na? Okay, sa last. Okay. So, last na. Good morning. Labas niyo yung mga pala naman. I-check tayo yung film. Yung original, yung pinasa niya sa ano. Baka mamaya iba yun eh. Iba yung pinasa niya. Mahalata lang. Dapat pareho-pareho yan. Yung pag-original. So last, anong letter na E?
Opo, sir.
I think hindi na tayo makakapag-report sa ano, di ba?
Hindi na, sir.
Hindi na, tama ba? Mag-report pa.
Hindi nakapot, sir.
Sinong mag-report? Group 3.
Group
3 ba?
Group 4, sir.
Anong topic? Kasi, ano, malapit na tayo magkakatapos ng dapat diba? Okay, so, makinig ko na dito. Ang last na, ilan pong problem natin? 5?
Opo, sir. Last na yan, sir.
10 points, di ba? Tama?
Ata, sir.
So, makinig. A YouTube manometer. Ano ba yung YouTube?
Yung naka-U.
U, di ba? Yung YouTube is yung gano'n, di ba? Porting U. Yan. So, time will come na magbabago yung ano niyan. Meron magkakaroon ng pressure difference, di ba? Ano ba sabi niyo dito sa area na ito? The pressure will. Ito sa iyo. Ano sabi niyo? Pressure will ano?
Increase?
Kasi yung pressure na clockwise, diba? Counterclockwise, kaya yung clockwise, counterclockwise. So, ang concern mo na lang is ito, no? Tsaka yung ito. Okay? Maaaring yung fluid o fluid. Okay? So, yung height nito, tsaka yung height nito, their difference, no? Is the static pressure. And normally, the other one is open to atmosphere. So, we go to the problem. A YouTube manometer, ito yun, no? So parang natin, kung ma-imagine nyo, merong linya ng, diba? May linya ng pipe, may linya ng tubo. O paano mo ma-measure yung pressure niya? Siyempre, magkakaroon ka lang dito ng fittings, no? Meron na yung fittings na nakaabang. So, i-connect mo yung YouTube. So kung oil to, ano mangyari dyan? Kung oil to, oil din yan. Tama? Kasi oil pipe yan eh. Pero, yung pinaka-dulo niyan, normally ay ano? Anong kadalasan sa YouTube? Ay sa problem, anong meron yan?
Mercury.
Mercury. No? So in this case, dalawa ang concern natin, no? So ang property ng oil at property ng mercury. Pwede rin naman tubig at mercury, no? Mercury or tubig. Since ito ay pipe, oil pipe, diba? Siyempre oil kaya ginawa ko ng itim, no? So ginawa ko ng itim, tapos yung mercury ginawa ko ng silver gray, no? So what is the height column? What is the height of the column of mercury gland? Sa problem?
Ano, sir? 0.2 meter.
0.2. Dapat yan, set kayo ng B2 or reference, di ba? Bakit dito? Kasi dito yung the force of the fluid here will cancel out. Right? So, ito yung dito yan. Okay? calculate the
pressure
pressure
difference.
difference. So, paano natin na-calculate yung pressure difference. So, ito rin yung illustration yung isa ay 0.3 no? Sa oil, tapos yung isa ay 0.2.
2.
So, yun. So, ano mo lang gagawin natin?
I-calculate muna sir yung ano ng oil density.
Density ba?
Opo.
Hindi density. Baka pressure. Ayan, di ba ito yung density ng ano? This is the density of the
Ay, hindi ganun pala sir.
right?
Opo.
Ito yung density ng mercury. Ito yung
Density ng oil.
density ng oil. Okay. 900 kilogram per meter cube. So with this given, ano makukuha natin? Makukuha natin yung pressure. Kasi pressure na makukuha. How do you get the pressure in ano? In oil, saka in mercury? Anong equation?
Ano sir, density ng mercury multiplied by gravity multiplied by height ng mercury minus density ng oil naka-multiply by gravity tapos naka-multiply rin siya sa height ng oil.
Anong formula? Rho?
Rho is equals to H.
H. So pag sinabi mong oil to, oil lahat yan. Tama? Density ng oil, di ba? Ito naman, acceleration due to gravity, kung masak,
Gravity.
oil, oil, yan, pareho yan, di ba?
Tapos yung
tama? Yung height ng oil, ano ba yung height ng oil?
yung height ng oil 0.3.
0.3,
3.
di ba? Ayan, oil. Tama ba? Ito.
Opo.
Di ba? Ito, di ba? 0.3.
Sir.
Ayan. Oil, height of oil, ano yan?
0.3 meter.
Mercury, yung height of
Point.
mercury ay
0.2.
0.2. So, substitute lang natin. Diba? So, oil is 0.3. So, ibig sabihin, dito ay 0.3. Ito ay ano?
9.81.
81. Density naman, binigay naman ilan?
Ano sir? 900.
900 kilogram per ilan yun? Density, pressure ng oil, ilan? Malabas ay ito 42 na answer na 264.3 Pascal, diba? Yung perspective na ito. Check natin. What is the unit of density? Kilogram per meter cube. What is the unit of gravity? Acceleration.
Meter per second squared.
What is the unit of head or height?
Meter.
If you have this kilogram meter per second squared, what do you have? What do you get?
Newton.
Yung M, cancel yan, taka isang M. Yung ilang matitira dito?
Meter squared.
Square. So, Newton
Meter.
meter is what?
Pascal.
Pascal. Yan, Pascal. Okay? So, nakuha na natin yung sa oil. Punta tayo sa mercury. The same thing, ang formula is pressure is what?
Rho. GH.
GH. So, ito head, gravity is constant. Rho ng ano?
Ng mercury.
Mercury. So, rho ng mercury lang?
13,600.
13, ito, diba? Ito, 13,600. Nakita ba?
Apo sir.
So, 13,000 kilogram per meter cube. Constant naman yung gravity, acceleration, 9.81 meter per second square. And then, what is the height of the mercury?
0.2.
0.2, ayan. Nakita ba ito?
Opo.
So, ang formula ay ano? Kaya ang formula. Sagot, 2665.2. So, pinapahanap nyo delta P. Change in delta P or difference in pressure. Ano yun?